Kwa ihinda ria thiku mirongo 21, thirikari ikoretwo ikinyabara uria bururi uregariura thutha wa kuregerio kwa imwe ya mikaana iria yagathikitwo hau kabere. Umuthi ndumiriri ya mutongoria wa bururi igietererwo na kinyi, namba nene ya Akenya makihumuka kuona bururi ndunahingwo.
Wengi walikuwa wanatarajia ya kwamba tutasema tutafunga nchi tena.
Ona kuhanora uguo rucamio rutinaga ha kugutha riu aria makoretwo makiendia njohi mikawa-ini na ciienderioni ingi magikirirwo mukaana kwa ihinda ria thiku 30.
That there shall be no sale of alcoholic beverages or drinks in eateries and restaurants across the territory of the Republic of Kenya effective midnight today for the next 30 days.
Ndumiriri-ini yake mutongoria wa bururi agiatha munene wa borithi guku bururi-ini Hilary Mutyambai gukorwo akihinga na gukanja marua ma irabu iria ciragarara watho wa wendia na unyui wa njohi, na oho kuheana riboti ya irabu iria cikanjirwo marua ma wendia kuri minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i o kiumia.
But all bars shall remain closed until further notice. That the Inspector General of the National Police Service shall cause withdrawal of all licenses for bars operating in breach of this directive, and those withdrawals shall be permanent.
Ihinda-ini riu ene mikawa na aria mendagia irio riu makiendeka kuhinga biashara ciao ithaa rimwe mbere.
That the closing time for restaurants and eateries has been amended from 8 p.m. to 7 p.m. starting today at midnight for the next 30 days.
Nario ihinda ria mukaana wa kuuma mathaa ma utuku rikiongererwo na ihinda ria thiku ingi 30, maabitha a borithi makiurio gutacukia ikinya ria kiwatho hatari gucagura ngathi ya uria wanyitikana akiuna watho uyu.
The rules are for all of us, and rank or status does not exempt anyone from them.
Maya mokite o riri namba ya aruaru wa murimu wa coronavirus yongererekete na andu 440 na gukinyeria andu 17,603 a Kenya makiurio kwihoga kuona namba ya aria makuite kumana na murimu uyu no irathi nambere kuongerereka.
Today we mourn 280 Kenyans who have lost their lives to the cruel virus. And unfortunately, fellow Kenyans, because truth must be told, there will be more.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Chitagogena, Wawadurwa.